Morning.
Morning.
It's raining today, but we're still going to Epcot. We have fast pass for soaring at 9:10. Oh, it's really raining. Right, we'll come back when we've been through bag security and get back to you. See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so we've been on Space Cadet twice.
Yes.
And we're going to soaring. But it's been raining like all day.
I'm trying to find something that can make rain stop.
Going to the weather app, it's been raining all day.
I know and decided we were going to a water park, so I don't know what's going to happen there.
Well, hopefully it'll stop. Hopefully it's just today, but it's raining all day. But yeah, I thought we'd just update you. We're having lunch now.
I've just downloaded the weather app and I have proof. And look at all that rain. Is that there? Window.
So yeah, we'll update you in a bit. Can't wait. Don't remember being on this at all, ever.
Well, our dad keeps saying that we have. I don't remember.
Yeah, I don't think we've been on this.
I
don't recognise it anyway.
Well, if we get closer in, we might realise.
Okay, so we've just met Racket Wolf and Penelope.
Yes.
Now we're going back to the hotel. It's still raining. I think it's going to rain all day now.
Well, I think it's stopping now.
Well, it's spitting now.
Spitting.
Yeah. It's only
Before it's like dropping like really hard, but now it's just spitting.
It's either going to just stay like this.
I think it's going to stop for a bit.
Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, we're going back to the hotel now for a little bit of a rest. Because we're tired. And also we didn't realise she's wearing the same clothes as Penelope and I'm wearing the same clothes as Ralph. We didn't even realise till we left him, did we? So yeah, we'll update you all in a bit.
When we try to dress like people, like colours, we fail.
So yeah, like I said, we'll update you all in a bit. Okay, so we're on our way back to not Epcot. I think I said Hollywood Studios in my video.
Yeah, you did.
We're on our way back to Epcot. And we have a fast pass for soaring at 25 to 6 and dinner at Garden Grill at 6. So yeah, when we get there, we'll update you on just what's happening and everything. So yeah. Bye.
Okay, so we have arrived at Garden Grill. Yay! So we already have had some food given to us. We have some salad. And we have some bread. Don't really are. Okay. So we're getting more food and it's Pluto and chip. Like on either side of us. But we're going around the other way, so we're going to meet Pluto first. And yeah, we'll keep you updated today.
Drinks in for you guys. Lemonade for you, sir. These guys have yes, thank you. Thank you, sir. All right.
So we are out to Garden Grill obviously, and we're making our way to Mexico in World Showcase. Woo! So we are now back to the hotel after a very, very rainy day in Epcot. Tomorrow we're going to Animal Kingdom, so hopefully it'll be a hotter day. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Have a magical day!